illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pirate ship. So if you'd like to go ahead and grab all of your drawing materials, then we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our pirate ship illustration. The first thing we want to do is start in the middle of our paper with a slightly skewed letter U. Alright, from here we're going to add two wings basically to this. So we're going to come out from here and make one. And the same thing over here, but we kind of bowed outward here. On this side we're going to bow inward. Now we're going to add a second layer to this. So just following along what we already have done, just making it thicker. All right, now we're going to build the rest of our pirate ship down here. We're going to start with a corner. And from there we're going to create a giant letter U that comes all the way around. So we'll come down, across, and back up. Now this opens up a lot of space for us to put some portholes down here. So we're going to do 3 portholes. 1, 2, and 3. Second layer, 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to work on the sails. So we're going to come here inside of our letter U that we started with, and we're going to do 2 lines. And this is going to be the post for one of our sails. And the sails are going to be really fun, skewed, square rectangle shapes. All right, and just pretend that you're drawing a line up through here and just continue this line so that it's going behind our sail so we don't really see it. And we'll put a little circle on top there. So for the next one, we're going to have this one be our longest pole. So we'll come up this way and back down. And this time, this sail is going to be furled up. So we're going to draw a series of curved lines here and come all the way across. And the same thing up top. And we'll do one final sail and fill up this space here. So just like we started with over here, we're going to do 2 lines. 1, 2. And a similar shape. Start with the bottom edge, curve, straight, and curved. And again, pretend like this line's coming up through here. All right, we can add some detail to our sails here. So we can add an edge. All right, now we need to make sure that this ship is indeed sailing. So we're going to add the suggestion of water behind our ship as well as in front of our ship. And of course, if you want to add a little bit of humor, which is always a good idea, we can put a shark fin in the water. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our pirate ship. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our pirate ship illustrations plus our shark fin. So the last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators! I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your pirate ships, and I hope that you join me next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!